single one of you, grab yourself a partner, get yourself on the dance floor, join the couple on the floor.
Megan, the saying goes till death do us part, but even I know that death could not keep our souls apart. So I'm here to say that whether it's this lifetime or the next, my heart will always find you. You will always have a home as long as I am here.
Today being exactly 7 years to the day from when they got engaged at Niagara Falls. And I'm here today to help Megan and Dylan celebrate the very best of what it means to be human, because a day like today highlights what really matters in life. Today is about the values we share, it's about family and friends and about everyone gathering together, because today, of course, well, it's all about our happy couple, but above all though, it's about love. And when I asked Megan and Dylan why they've chosen to get married and what being married is going to mean to them, in their very own words they told me, to us marriage is the next big step in our relationship. There's no one else we'd rather be with. We are each other's person, each other's soulmate, and we don't see a life without one another. Now, with the exception of their legal declarations, Megan and Dylan have chosen everything that's included in their ceremony today. So from the words that I say to the music you'll hear and the vows that they will make to each other shortly, they have chosen each of these themselves. And so it really is a truly unique ceremony, celebrated with the people they love the most, and that is, of course, all of you, their very closest family and friends.
My wee girl Megan, what can I say? Every father's dream come true, and funny, clever, beautiful, and a dap hand at making scrambled egg and toast. Your dad's favourite. You've always been full of fun and surprises. Honestly, Megan, don't ever change him, because that sense of humour, that makes you the amazing person that you are. Seeing you here today, so radiant, so happy, I can't help but think, yep, she's still my wee lassie.
Standing here today, I honestly feel a little emotional. I know it might be weird to say, that I look up to my little sister, but I really do. She has been and always will be the one consistent thing in my life. I watched her grow from the little girl who borrowed my clothes without asking into the stunning, kind and strong woman we see today. Watching you walk down the aisle today feels so surreal. It feels like just yesterday we were arguing over who was doing the dishes. Yes, we used to fight like most sisters do, constantly, about everything, but somewhere along the way something changed. We grew up, life got real, and suddenly those fights turned into long talks, honest advice, and endless support. Now we're not just sisters, we're best friends. We talk every single day, literally every single day. And I honestly can't imagine my life without that connection. Megan, I don't think there's anyone on this earth who understands me the way you do. You're my confidant, my biggest supporter, and watching you marry Dylan today has made my heart so full.
Dylan, from the moment you came into our family, I knew you were the only person for her, mate, honestly. The perfect balance in her crazy energy and sense of humour. And you've got that knack at keeping her grounded while still letting her shine. You respect her, you support her, and most importantly, you know how to handle her competitive streak. Honestly, how anyone can survive a game of Uno. Way Megan and come back for more. You deserve a medal, mate, trust me. Yeah. If I could just share a couple of pieces of advice for you both to embark on this wonderful journey of life together, here they are. Number 1, be each other's rocks, other person's biggest supporter. Number 2, stand behind them when they need it most and support them when they're struggling. Number 3, never underestimate the importance of a spontaneous bunch of flowers, wee hug, a compliment of how you love each other. Trust me, it can go a long way.
Well, they tell me they've been together for 11 years, but first met at Dylan's friend's house party 13 years ago. And in actual fact, it seems that Rhiannon and Kyle and Peter met each other at that same party too. Now, when they first met, there was a definite bit of attraction there, with some cheeky comments thrown back at one another about music. Like Megan asked to put Oasis on, and Dylan replied, "You probably don't know who they are." Cue Megan simply ignoring him and walking away. Dylan, though, followed her, asking more questions to try and catch her out. But once the initial grilling was out of the way, they started to click and they spoke about music all night, who their favourite bands were, and it turned out, in fact, they both liked the same bands. Now, that night ended with them not knowing when they would see each other again, but both knew there was a definite spark. From then on, and for about the next year or so, they would randomly meet each other on nights out, but nothing ever came of it. Now, at one point, they thought they might get serious, but then Dylan moved to Aberdeen, and they lost connection for a while. Now, at this point, it was the right person, wrong time, but deep down, they always knew they would eventually be together. When Dylan ended up in hospital one night, Megan reached out to him to say she hoped he was okay. And as they get texting back and forth, and with Megan showing how much she cared, Dylan realised in that moment, I need to be with this girl.
thank you all so much for being here today. It truly means the world to Megan and me to have each and every one of you here to celebrate with us. We feel so loved, and having you all here has made this day even more special. A big thank you as well for all the incredible generous gifts we've received. We're honestly blown away. We can't wait to celebrate properly with you all tonight, get the tunes on, get bevied and make some memories. After all the stress and chaos, we made it, and my God, it was worth it. Thank you for being the most incredible partner I could ever ask for. I love you more than words can express, and I can't wait for a lifetime of love, laughter and happiness with you. You're my best friend, my biggest supporter, and the most amazing person I know. Every time I think about you, about us, I feel overwhelmed with gratitude. I'm so glad our paths crossed. You make life more beautiful, more exciting, and you've given me a level of comfort and calm I never even thought possible. As much as I love everything we already have, I know the best is still ahead. We've got a future of endless possibilities, and there's no one else I'd want by my side than you. I used to think soulmates were a bit of a myth until I met you. And just a little bit to finish, I just wanted to share an Irish phrase that perfectly sums up what Megan means to me. I'm going to butcher this because I have no idea how you actually properly pronounce it. So it's Macaulay McCroy, which is my pulse, my heart. It literally means you're my pulse, my heartbeat, and I truly couldn't live without you.
Growing up with Dylan was exactly what you expect from two brothers. Constant wrestling, football daft, and a bit too competitive for our own good. Our dad had us kicking footballs before we could walk. There's always been a healthy and sometimes not so healthy competition of who was the better player over the years. But since it's your wedding day, I'll give it to you. Not just as a brother, but as a mate. He's always been more than just family, he's been a best friend. And honestly, I'm so grateful that we get to still share so many things that we love, including now, sharing those things with Megan too. Speaking of Megan, when I first met Megan about 10 years ago, I thought she was shy, a bit timid, and never really said much. But now she's been in the family for over 10 years, I can confirm she's no quiet, she's no shy, she's a bit of a bevy merchant. But to be fair, Dylan's the same, so. But most importantly, she makes Dylan happier than I've ever seen him, and if you know Dylan like I know, that means everything. So, here's to Dylan and Megan, two of the best people I know who are even better together. May your love be strong, your laughter loud, and your arguments as short as when Kelly get beat.
Something Take me home. I'm holding